How to log in or sign in into the ShowMax account online. Hello everyone and welcome back. In order to get logged in, first of all you need to open any of your preferred browser and search for www.showmax.com. Unfortunately, with some of the exciting changes, ShowMax is now available in only some of the few countries. If you tap on this More Here button, you will see the list of countries only where the ShowMax is available. So if you belong to one of such countries, only then you'll be able to log in and sign up for the ShowMax. If you are from the country, just go back to the previous page or the home page, and on the top right corner, you have the sign in button. First of all, you have to provide your email address, then click on continue, which will ask you for password. Tap in the correct password and tap on login and you're good to go. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.